The backroll is a great move if you're looking to combine jumps with rotations. Although it's not that hard, it is incredibly stylish if done well. Fly the kite to either 11 or 1 o'clock, depending on the direction you are going. Place both hands towards the center of the bar. Carve hard upwind and pop off the water by pushing your back foot down. As you initiate the rotation, throw your head and front leg in the direction you want to go. For added lift, pull the bar towards you. Spot your landing and steer the kite back down to regain speed if needed. Upon landing, your lines will be twisted, but don't worry, the kite will steer as normal. Once you are rebalanced and in a stable position, release the bar and untwist your lines. When doing the back roll for the first time, do not pull on the back hand for balance. Better rely on the front hand if needed. Let's repeat the key points. Carve hard upwind and pop off the water. Throw your head and front leg in the direction you want to go. Lead with your front leg and spot your landing.
Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.